Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of easy.com. So easy.com is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of clothing items. As you can see, it has a winter wear and even the summer wear, the top, bottoms, the socks, and even the sandals as well. So the thing is, if it actually worth trying out this platform. So once I tried searching for the reviews of easy.com on the Trustpilot, I got to know it has a really bad rating of 2.1 out of 5 stars, which is based on 17 reviews. It seemed like once I read the comments of the customers, I got to know their service is very bad. They do not accept exchanges or returns. Some people are even praising that they have been actively purchasing. She has been actively purchasing and got a really good products. But the thing is, most of the people are not satisfied with their customer service, and they're even people are even complaining that they were waiting for 3 months and they still did not get their item. So the thing is, once I started searching for their domain name information on who is, I got to know it was registered back in 2005. So this is a really good signal about this platform. And based on this information, it seems like this platform is pretty much a legit one because it has been in a market for a long time, but their customer service and their the product quality is not very good. That is why their ratings on Trustpilot is very low. So in conclusion, I would say this platform is a legit one, but you should avoid purchasing items from this one because the quality of the products and their customer service has really bad ratings and reviews from the people. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.